Let's brew some Moka Pot coffee. So you will need your Moka Pot set, coffee and water. The ratio of coffee and water depends on how big the pot is. But to make things simpler, all you have to do is make sure the basket is filled up. For Moka Pot, we want to use a medium fine grind coffee. So remember not to go all out and use espresso fine grind. First, fill the base of the Moka Pot with boiling water up to the level of the knob on the side. This prevents steam from pushing through the coffee bed. If your pot doesn't have a knob, simply make sure that the water doesn't overflow into the basket. Next, fill the basket with coffee. Hold the base of the Moka Pot and gently screw the top back to make sure we get a good seal. Place it on the hob on a low-medium heat. Next, open the lid of your Moka Pot to check how your coffee is brewing. Wait for a bit before removing it from the heat. Finally, decant your coffee into a cup and serve. Enjoy it!